If you're new to crypto and want a simple way to start earning, CryptoCode is designed to help. The main tool is the Waybot Toolkit, an automated trading robot that looks for the best trades and can handle them for you. This saves you from spending all day checking charts. You'll also get premium trade alerts, which are signals from experienced traders. You can copy these trades yourself if you prefer more control. To help you understand crypto better, there's Crypto Code University. It includes 92 video lessons that take you from beginner basics to Bitcoin cycles to advanced strategies like chart reading. And to keep you supported, there's a mastermind community, Joel and Adam's personal portfolios and recordings from live boot camps. So the way you make money is by letting the Waybot and alerts guide your trades while you learn at your own pace. If you're ready to start, click the link in my description and join CryptoCode today.